Guys, here we are, and it's today, 10th March. And the first thing about today is that the market was quite volatile, and the spread was on its peak. It was moving quite volatilely. It was chopping, and it would have chopped many people head in this FX market. So, talking about today market, as you all know, I trade in crude. So, I knew that the trade, I knew that it's a downtrend, but I had buy some, in crude. I had this chance, and I bought at 32.46, and I closed a take profit. I had a take profit of 32.99, which has crossed, but I felt the market was volatile, and I did not went to go further. And I had some short, these trades in which you can see go up about gold, and I go for small, you know, things. But if you see in crude, I bought in 32.46, and if you look into the chart, you already know that it was coming down. It was coming down. It was a downtrend, and everyone knows that there was a OPEC in this meeting. Saudi Arabia and Russia has some dispute, and then Saudi Arabia has to maybe you can say that they were angry and they dropped the prices, and eventually some instability happens in the market, and this is what you see. You'll see in different charts. I mean, different charts. You'll see it's a down thing. So everyone who had was doing, except yeah, it was even US CAD was going down. Now it's up, but overall market was down. Even if you look in Brent, you can see downwards. So everyone should know about the support and resistance level. If you see in the this you can see some support levels, and almost I trade in 30-minute chart. If you look into this crude, so if you had know about the support and resistance level, you would have got a quite good profit. When the market was going down, and when it got support at this level, so there was a good chance. But if you got this good patience, so you could earn great money. And for those who were going for short selling, so it was at the start of the day when it kicked in this area. It was a selling area, but this when you get up in the morning and you see a spread is quite big, and this was almost the pivot point, and it was definitely well. You can also you can see that when the market goes up, pull back, then it go up, and this was the peak. And as you know, when the market is down, it would go definitely down, and it end up in a downward. So crude would further days it will be a downtrends. Coming days there will be some instability, but the market will be volatile. So my review would be go for when the market settles in a place. First of all, you can buy. If you wake up in the morning, I will definitely go for short selling, and it would go down, and you will have a good earning. But and again, there will be volatility. You have to stick to the screen and have your profits. And we see a support level, like if you see in this level, it has had a support, then it went up, then you can see a down candle, then it went up. This is the area where you should buy whenever it comes next day, whenever you want to trade. So go for 10 to 15 pips. If you're not greedy, if you are greedy, you will lose the money. So if you are not greedy, you will you'll be in Forex. Everyone knows that consistency will make you uh, you know you'll earn a lot of money. And you can see this one trade. This is S&P, which I normally don't do it, but I have done it, and it's like minus 253 dollars. So it happens, but I'm looking for a positive in the morning because the market has fallen. And what I have in my mind is that it is a downtrend, but maybe I would lose some, some next $300, or I could gain some money in this deal. And in this you can see I've already lost some 46.90 in when I bought gold, and another one 32.19 minus 40. But this happens is the market. You'll have to have a big heart. But overall market for today was down, and people who had short sell, that were the people who have earned money. So for tomorrow, we will show you what would be in my what would be happening and what are the updates I will tell you about tomorrow and tell you in coming days. So this is for today, and it was